taking the O-levels, then these 8 algebra concepts will help you. Number 5 is often misunderstood. First, indices. Know all your laws of indices. There's 7 of them, and the 2 main types of questions, simplifying and solving. Second, useful algebra concepts. 5 steps to factorizing. I list them down here so that you can screenshot. Number 3 on the list, simultaneous equations. There are 2 algebraic methods for this, elimination and substitution. The 4th useful algebra skills is to expand. There are expansion formulas and you can see them all here. Number 5 on this list, quadratic solving. To solve quadratic equations, use factorization, quadratic formula, completing the square, draw a graph, or you can even use your calculator. Note that not all quadratic equations are solvable. You can tell by either checking with your calculator, or when you use your quadratic formula, right, you will get a negative number inside your square root of 6 skill. Simplifying type questions with fractions. For this, ensure all terms are fully factorized so that you can see the common factors. Number 7 are linear inequalities. You can change signs from plus to minus and vice versa, but just remember, flip your inequality signs. And 8th algebra skill, to know subject or formula, where the goal is to bring our desired algebra terms to one side. Cross multiplication, square and cube roots becomes important right here.